Hello students, West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination, that is WBJ 2021 Round 1 seat allotment result is set to be released on August 19 and the last date to pay the seat acceptance fee is August 24. Candidates who are allocated seats in the Round 1 counselling of WBJ 2021 will have to complete the admission formalities such as accepting the seat allotment, payment seat acceptance fee and reporting to the allocated institute. In today's video, we'll overview all the details pertaining to the list of documents required at the time of reporting, upgradation of choices and other important details. So let's begin. First, let us look at WBJ 2021 Round 1 seat allotment dates. The seat allotment result will be released on August 19, 2021 and the last day for payment of seat acceptance fee, reporting and document verification is August 24, that is the payment of seat acceptance fee, reporting and document verification will be done starting from August 19 and ending on August 24, 2021. Now let us look at what are the various steps that the candidates will have to follow in order to check WBJ Round 1 seat allotment result. Firstly, the candidates will have to visit the official website of WBJ. Then they'll have to enter their WBJ roll number and password to sign in. And then after signing in, they can check their seat allotment result. Further, the candidates will have to select the relevant options such as accepting the seat, upgradation or withdraw as per their preference. The candidates who are accepting the seat allotment will also have to pay the seat acceptance fee in order to confirm their seats. Now let us look at the fee for Round 1 seat acceptance. The candidates accepting the Round 1 seat allotment of WBJ will have to pay the seat acceptance fee of Rs 5,000 and then proceed with the reporting process. The seat acceptance fee has to be paid online by using credit card or debit card or internet banking modes. The candidates will also have to be physically reporting to the allocated institute with all the required documents. Now let us look at the list of documents that the candidates are required for WBJ reporting process. That means the documents which the candidates will have to submit at the time of reporting to the allocated institute. The very first is class 10th admit card, class 10th mark sheet, class 12th mark sheet, domicile certificate if you are a domicile of West Bengal, SC, ST, OBC A, OBC B category certificate if you belong to the reserved category, PWD certificate and income certificate for TFW candidates. It is also to be noted that the candidates must carry one set of Xerox copy of the documents along with the original certificate. Also, the Xerox copy of the document should have candidate signature on it. Now let us look at freeze and upgradation option in WBJ counselling. After the seat allotment, the candidates will have two options to choose from. First is freeze and second is upgradation. Candidates who are allocated seats as per their first preference will have to freeze the seat and complete the admission formalities. These candidates will not be eligible to take part in Round 2 counselling, but they will be allowed to participate in the mod-up round. Further, the candidates who are allocated seats as per second or later preference can choose to upgrade their seats. For that, they'll have to pay the seat acceptance fee. Such candidates will have to complete the document verification and then receive the verification slip for further process. Also note that the candidates who have opted for upgradation, for those candidates, the existing seat allotment shall be cancelled. That's all for today. We hope that this video helped you in getting an idea for WBJ seat allotment. If you still have any queries regarding seat allotment process or any other topic, you can ask me through the provided link that has been provided below. Also, you can check video description for other related important articles for WBJ exam and seat allotment result. And for more updates on WBJ exam and other exams, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.